This video is about page 2 of the bonding notes packet. So basically what we're going to talk about today is Lewis dot symbols. This is a method of representing an atom's valence electrons. This is very important when we're drawing representations of different types of bonds, because when we're talking about bonds, we're talking about those valence electrons, the ones that are involved in bonding. So there are a few steps to follow when we're drawing a Lewis dot symbol. The first step, excuse me, is that you're supposed to write the element symbol. So if we were talking about phosphorus here, we would write AP for phosphorus. You need to understand that there are 4 quadrants around the symbol. So you've got the top, the bottom, the left, and the right. Those are the 4 places you're allowed to place those valence electrons in a Lewis dot symbol. So basically, guys, what you're going to do is just put as many dots as you need to cover the correct number of valence electrons. So we know that phosphorus is in column 5A, so it's going to have 5 valence electrons. So I'm going to go ahead and start just from the top. It doesn't really matter where you start. I just like to start at the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then that 5th one I'll go ahead and buddy up. Okay. Please note number 4 right here, just like Hund's rule. Remember, it's the empty bus seat rule. Don't give someone a roommate unless they have to have a roommate. So the only reason why we doubled up these electrons up at the top of P was because there was no other place for that electron to go. Okay, so it's pretty simple. So let's do a couple examples. So sodium, first thing you're going to do is you're going to write that element symbol, which is Na. You're going to recall that sodium is in that first column in the alkali metals family, so it's only going to have 1 valence electron. So there is its Lewis dot symbol, excuse me. The next one is aluminum. Aluminum is in column 13 or 3A, depending on what system you're using, which means that it has 3 valence electrons. So I'm going to go ahead and write Al for aluminum, and then I'm going to count 1, 2, 3 valence electrons. Finally, chlorine, Cl, is in the halogen family, and the halogen family is column 7A or 17, so it has 7 valence electrons. So I'm going to go ahead and start clockwise just because that's how I arbitrarily like to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it.